Alright guys, today I'm going to work on this 2008 Chrysler 300. Um, so the problem this car has is the water pump is leaking. So, and it's a 2.7 liter engine, so it's a V6. It's a small engine. But the thing is that the water pump is inside of the timing, so you have to remove the whole thing to be able to get them out. So you have to take off the valve cover gasket, the intake manifold, this other valve cover gasket, the other valve cover, to remove it, and also take the pulley, the crankshaft. Take this pulley, the crankshaft. Oh, the other fork right there. So you need to take that one off. All this this tensioner and this other one right here, this idler. So and also, if you sometimes, well, it will be easier if you like remove the whole bumper cover, and move the radiator and the condenser. Just put it to the side so you have all the access to get through there. But I want to try to do just like this. I will remove this the fans, the cooling fans. I want to remove it out of the way, and to be able to get to that water pump. Like you see, this car is leaking a lot of oil. So those are water drips from the water pump. So it's man, this is really nasty. This engine here is a lot of oil leaks. Look over there. This is the valve cover leaking a lot right there. I don't know if I can see it, but there you go, right there. And so there's the crankshaft pulley right there. So I had to remove the whole thing. But let's see how it goes, guys. It's a big job right here. All right, guys. I'm here with this water pump job. So I already removed the valve covers on both sides. The intake manifold, I put some racks there so to protect them for anything going through those holes there. Like right there, you see those holes, so just cover it. So that's what I have, those cloths right there, so I can cover the cylinder heads right here, both sides. This the same and this one here. So to avoid anything going through there. So I already removed the timing. Let me see if I can film here. Timing cover right there. This one right here, guys, is the water pump. The water pump right there. So it's driving by the timing change. That is the water pump right there. Okay, so that one right there in the bottom is the camshaft. Okay, the crankshaft. I already set it up on time. Now you can see it here. I have my marks. So so right here, this is the yellow link right here. So there's the mark, and there's like a little dot. So there's the mark. So that one has to be right in the middle. Okay. So the second one here, this one is kind of like, they look like kind of like 12 o'clock bottom, somewhere there. I have it in top the center. Right there, this is my two links right here, and there's the little dot right there, and there's like a triangle pointing to those links right here. You have to be like right on the middle. So that's a point there, okay? And the bottom, right there, let me see if I can show you guys. I don't know if you can see that yellow link right there. That one has like a, you see the triangle? That triangle had to be right in the middle of the yellow link. Let me see if I can zoom it. Hold on. Oh, way too much. Okay, you see the yellow link right there? That one is for the crankshaft. Okay, so you have to be right in the middle. So this one, I'm taking I'm filming from the top, so it looks like it's in the second link, but no, it's right in the middle. So right there is right on time. Let me see if I can show it from the bottom. All right, guys, I'm all right here on the bottom. Let me zoom it in. I think we put it way too much. Hold on. Right there. Okay, you see the arrow? Well, it's a triangle. Well, sorry guys, cannot film this real good. But right there, if you can appreciate, this is the yellow link right there. There's a little triangle. So in this, in the middle of the link, the yellow link is like a little groove. So that one has to be right in the middle of the yellow link, pointing with a little triangle right there. So this is the mark for the timing, okay? So there's a 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and right there is right on time. Also for some references, I just put my own marks right there. So here, I mean, you don't have to, but I just do it. So I just put those and extra ones. This one is lined up with this little one on the bottom. On the back, excuse me, in the back right there, you see a little dot. So I'm gonna just mark it. I just mark it myself there, just in case. And the same thing here on this side. I do the same thing, just in case. But yeah, right now I'm about to lose the tensioner. That's the timing tensioner right there. So right here on the back, I don't think I can film this, but there's it has 2 bolts right in the back. It's 10 millimeters. Just remove it, and so you can be able to have some lose the timing chain right here, and to be able to get the water pump. So also I had to remove these little cups, like an Allen, right there, to remove the guide. This is the guide right here. So this is how I had to remove it from there. So yeah, and I just covered this guy here. I put a plastic bag right here to catch like any dust or anything, any screw going through there. You don't want nothing go through there. So just cover all the thing right there, so nothing go through there. Because if you drop something there that you don't know, like a bolt or a screw, something in there, just screw. You messed up the whole engine, because that thing make a hole, and you know, it's a mess. You don't want that. So just please cover that. The same here, cover those things there. This is the cylinder, this other cylinder with the, you know, rags or whatever, but just cover it from that, because like you see right here, there's a lot of like dust, a lot of nasty stuff. So just be careful, okay? Also guys, I wanted to show you the timing marks for this engine, 2.7 liter Chrysler 300 2008. I have my timing marks right here for this one. You can see it, the 2 timing marks on the top, which is number 8, number 1, and number 3. So that's the perfect timing that it should be. So just put it on time before you remove the tensioner, okay? So and just make sure don't move those the camshafts, both sides. Don't move it. Just leave it as it is. And I have another one for references. This hold on. The same. I have the two comps on the top. You see the marks. 1, 2. I have dot on the left, a little triangle on the right, and the crankshaft. I have the little triangle and the little groove that I'm talking to you guys about. So, but yeah, like that. I mean, just be really careful. Just make sure what you're doing. Because if you the time you change jump, you want to bend the valve or bend a piston rod. So just be careful. So just concentrate and just be really careful. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. All right, guys. I have the water pump right here. So this is the Murray brand. Let's open it. Brand new here. Okay, here's the water pump. So this is the water pump. Check it out. So brand new. Also come with a gasket. There's the gasket right here. It's inside. Right there is the black gasket. This is the one. Okay. All right, guys. There's the gasket right there. I already get them out. So there's water pump right here, and this is the old water pump, guys. The old one. It was leaking water already. The inside. So let's match it to make sure it's exactly the same. Good. Two. Those here. Yep, it's exactly the same. Alright. I already cleaned the gasket inside the old one. It's clean, and I'm about to put the new one on there. Okay. And it has this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10mm bolts there. The water pump, and also right here's the guide. The guy right there. So it's another 2 bolts. This is the other guy right there, another 2 bolts. And this is the little caps that I removed from here. This hole right here to get the guide's bolt out of the way. It's a 10mm socket to remove those. So okay, yeah, so I'm going to install the water pump right now.